Each day at dusk, the unemployed converge on this sidewalk trash heap in downtown Caracas, picking through rotten fruit and vegetables tossed out by nearby shops. But it's not just the jobless that search through garbage for food. They're joined by many who still consider themselves part of Venezuela's middle class, even though their living standards have long declined, pulverized by triple-digit inflation, food shortages, and a collapsing currency. 19-year-old Josriana Capote comes to this trash heap to help supplement her pantry. She recently completed an internship with Coca-Cola.
In Venezuela, the situation is very difficult. Before, you could get food, but not now. You wait for hours in the line and you don't get anything. So it leads us to come here to see if we can get even a small quantity to be able to eat.
While some come to the trash piles to eat, many more seek the opportunity to earn some cash during tough times, reselling passable produce. Venezuela's poverty had eased under the rule of the late President Hugo Chavez, but it's once again on the rise, and so-called dumpster diving has grown to be a common practice.
I'm doing this due to the need we are facing in our country. Never, not ever, was this seen before. When Chavez was alive, we had never seen this need that we are going through. We go hungry.
Nearly half of Venezuelans say they can no longer afford to eat 3 meals a day. While the government blames political opposition of waging an economic war, those caught in the crossfire do what they can to make ends meet. Noreen Nasser, Associated Press.